Hello guys, this is Autosocials and today I'm going to show you how you can change the image of your playlist on Spotify, no matter what playlist you have. As you can see right here, I'm on the main page of Spotify and logged into my main account. You need to be on this stage in order to complete the process. You need to be logged in to a Spotify account. Once you're logged in and on this page, what you need to do is just go over on the left side of your screen, and as you can see right here, I have home, browse, radio, your library, and playlists. This is what we need. Under playlists, you can see all the playlists that you have made on your account. I'm going to select just a random one, for example this one, in which I have Migos music. And what I need to do in order to change the image of the playlist, which is right here, is just hover over it, click on it, and once you've done that, your screen should look something like this. Now you need to click on the little circle with 3 dots on the corner of the image. Just click on replace image. And here you can just select a new image from the files that you have in your computer. Let's say I want to select this one. Okay, as you can see right here, I've just changed the image of the playlists. I can also give it another name. For example, I don't know, test. I can give it a description. And the last step is me saving it. Just by clicking on save. And as you can see right here, the image of my playlist has been changed. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's really simple. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Cheers!